Myself, Dr. Dharmendra Singh Rajput, Associate Professor of SIRT Mechanical Department, Bhopal. Today, we will discuss about the solid models of the engineering drawing subject. These are the models on the table. Just we will discuss one by one. Firstly, solid is divided in two categories. Mainly, first is polyhedra and second one is solid of revolution. In polyhedra, these are the models, and in solid of revolution, these are models. So, firstly, we are discussing about the polyhedra. Why that is name is polyhedra? Because polygons, it is made by the polygons, and hydra means height. So, just we are giving the height in the solid. So, length, width, and height. That's why that is the solid. So, these are the pyramid, these are the prism, that is hexahedron, and that is also the cube, and that is the tetrahedron. Why that is tetrahedron? Because in that object there are four faces and all faces are equilateral triangles. That's why the name is tetrahedron. Similarly, if we are talking about the hexahedron or cube, so it has six faces and all are equal squares. If we are talking about the pyramid and prism, why that is pyramid and why that is prism? Firstly, the main difference between pyramid and prism. In prism and pyramid have one base and one apex point and joined by the triangles. Okay, and similarly, in the prism, it has two bases which is equal to each other and parallel to each other and joined by the rectangles. So, suppose that is the pyramid, but the name of that pyramid is hexagonal pyramid. So, in that hexagonal pyramid, it will depend only the polygons. Suppose that the base of the object is hexagonal, so the name of the object is hexagonal pyramid. Similarly, the base of the object is hexagonal, so the name of the object is prism. Why that is prism? Because it has two bases, it has one base and one apex. Similarly, if we are talking about the pentagonal pyramid, so one base, one apex point and joined by it has the five sides. Okay. Similarly, that is the prism. It has the five edges and two bases. Okay, that is the prism. Similarly, if we are talking about the triangular pyramid, so it has the one base and one apex point and joined by the triangles. Similarly, that is the two bases and joined by the rectangles. So that is the prism. Similarly, if we are talking about the solid of revolution, so in solid of revolution, mainly three objects is there, but we have available two objects. So that is the cone. So in solid of revolution, just we are revolving the object. Suppose that एक triangular object ले लेते हैं, उसको इस तरीके से रख के उसको revolve करेंगे, तो it will be the solid. So name of the solid is cone हो जाएगा. Similarly, if we are talking about the cylinder, तो suppose that एक rectangle ले लेते हैं, just we will revolve in the fixed axis, so it will generate the cylinder. Okay, thank you.